The geography of Australia. The flag of Australia consists of the Union Jack in the top left corner, with a Commonwealth star below it. Next to those are the Southern Cross constellations represented with multiple Commonwealth stars and one smaller five-pointed star. This flag was adopted on the 11th of February, 1899. Australia is located between the Indian and Pacific Oceans in the southern hemisphere. Some could say Australia is located in the continent of Australia, as some consider Australia a continent. However, others will say that it is located in Oceania. Australia is an island nation, and so, because of that, it has no direct borders with any other country. However, some countries that are close to Australia include New Zealand, Timor-Leste, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, Vanuatu, and Nauru. If you were to count Australia as a continent, it is the second driest continent in the world, with around 35% of the country being made up of desert, and around 85% of the population living less than 50 kilometers from the coast. Around the coast, you will find many temperate and tropical landscapes. In the north, you'll find many wetlands and rainforests. In the far east and far west, you'll find lighter forests along with plains. In the southeast near Sydney, you'll find many temperate, cooler regions. A little bit inland, and you'll find stretches of semi-arid flatlands. Then you reach the central part of Australia, which consists of large deserts, known famously as the Outback. The highest peak in Australia is Mount Kosciuszko. Contrary to popular belief, the capital of Australia is not in fact Sydney, and is instead the much more boring city of Canberra. As of 2022, the estimated population of Australia is around 26 million. Around 85% of Australians have European descent. 12% identify as Asian, mainly from China and India. 1% of the population identify as Black, while 3% of the population identify as Aboriginal or Aborigine. Around 72% of the population speaks English. However, some other languages that are spoken are Mandarin Chinese, Arabic, Vietnamese, Cantonese Chinese, and Punjabi. Around 39% of the population identifies with having no religion at all. The two biggest religions are Catholicism and Protestantism. The average life expectancy in Australia is 83 years, with women living 5 years longer than men. Australia gets along with most countries, minus Fiji, as they refused to support a coup in the country in the past. Australia's largest business partner is China. Their best country friend, however, may be considered to be New Zealand. Both countries share multiple cultural and historical similarities, along with the fact that they are both British colonies, and also, their flags are similar. In conclusion, Australia is a large country/continent located between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Thank you for watching this video on the geography of Australia.